So, hi everybody, a very good evening. Hope everybody is doing good and great. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We are in the business of design and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions, wherein we design, supply, and manufacture home and office decor and interior solutions. And I'm the brainwave behind this, where I've put in a lot of time to kind of design and understand each product. So the inspiration comes from me, and most of these designs are available for homes, offices, for hotels, for banquets, for guest rooms, for offices, and anything and everything which a person would want for any of the interior spaces is mostly what we have. So if I were to give you the breakdown on the products we have, so we have let's say two categories. So one is the premium and luxury range of big products, which is tables. Then there are consoles, there are center tables, there are dining tables with chairs, there are sofas. We also have certain installations and stuff, and we have other display decor items, which is a part of the bigger products. I'm giving you a few because the other videos have an insight, and anybody who's generally interested can actually follow my social media handles or get in touch with me for my brochures and catalogs. And then the smaller categories, we have lamps, we have mirrors, we have coasters, we have picture frames, we have vases, we have candlelight holders, we have trays, and lots of other items which are available on order and request, and also many a times in stock. And I'm not an engineer. I'm not a this thing person who's from engineering, because somebody from another country thought that with my mind share and my talks and everything, I came across as an engineer. I'm not an engineer. I've been into retail, and I've been in branding and marketing and PR and communication, where I've handled lots and lots of brands. And when it comes to retail and what I'm doing now, which is a design, I have kind of been a part of various learning platforms. During corona, I think I attended more than 50 or 60 of these global interior solution and interior design shows, where we were interacting with global country designers, and I mean, we were learning and researching and stuff like that. And otherwise, I kind of read a lot, and I've studied this, I research this online, I attend and I meet up with people who are in this, from architecture, design, and retail, where I've worked for a mall. So I've launched a lot of showrooms there. So on the job, being in a mall kind of makes you kind of go into different shops and research and stuff. So I've done that. And having worked on various projects and having associated and collaborated with vendors, suppliers, artisans, and other people and artists from all across the world, which includes people who are genuinely into designing and painting murals or walls, or they do art and they do paints and paintings and stuff, they do ceramic work, and they have other stuff happening. And then, of course, trying to understand the international market with the vision and everything for different countries. Now we have this semi-precious stone category, where we have a lot of products which are done in international material, and a lot of it I find is kind of also in France, in UK, in Paris, Italy, Iran. Yesterday I was looking at in one of the fashion shows. I was checking out Magnolia, so there's a lot of similarities in the work there and stuff and all that. So most of it has been spending time on presentations, and like I said, learning offline and online, and of course interactions help. And I've also worked for a real estate company, so we used to look into big projects, where we were working on launching a series of real estate ventures and products and stuff, where we had a lot of intricate work. So I worked with a lot of architects, and we used to have international investors and international teams and light specialists and engineers come in, or bankers come in, and we had to do factory sites and stuff like that. So there's been a lot of interesting learning, and of course, when you visit factories and when you visit showrooms, and you attend, meets, and you're in something like a India Design Week, or you're actively every day kind of looking at stuff around you, then you obviously get this. Redefining your own acumen or learning skills and stuff like that. So that's what I've been doing. And this share is actually about something which is really important, because I've got this read on my table which is from the Silicon Valley. So this is a coach. He's been a coach. His name is Bill Campbell. So he's been coaching most of the founders of companies in Silicon Valley. And why am I emphasizing on Silicon Valley? I'm emphasizing on Silicon Valley along with design, because AI has a very important role. I can very strongly feel, because where it took me a lot of time to kind of get my copy done. A little example, a small example. ChatGPT has helped me do this maybe within half an hour, 1 hour. And anything you're looking for, you're trying to understand a product. So if you go into Google, that's of course from Silicon Valley, in India, mind an innovative guy there. So when you're going through all of this, you understand the importance and the intelligence of people and brains behind this. So that's why I'm reading this, because when you get reading, you kind of get new perspectives, and you may not be in a position to interact with these people from where you are, but then nothing stops you from learning and from kind of knowing more from the world, because as you meet different people and as you kind of interact with different people and you step out of your offices, your homes, and stuff, you have a scope for more conversations and more understanding. And what is life all about? I mean, it's not just about just the mundane and the necessary tasks of the day. Life is about evolving, growing, learning. What are we here for? We all have a purpose. We have different plans. Some take off, some don't take off. So I realize that purpose is a great idea with an intent, and plans can keep changing, depending on what stage of your life you're in and stuff, and looking at the situation. But when the vision, the purpose, and the way forward is clear, then depending on what you choose and how you kind of go, you flow with it and things happen.